I'm thinking that in my head is if 54. Boop, boop. Next page.
You're at the beginning of the end. Your first challenge is in front of the White House in Washington, D.C. Stay focused and complete the amazing math race with a strong finish. People in front of the White House. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and another number. Below are the multiples of 10 and 100 when you multiply them by the numbers from 1 to 9. Multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Multiples of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. To finish the amazing math race, you will need to multiply people in front of the. To finish the amazing math race, you will need to multiply by multiples of 10 and 100. You can do it. Example. Solve 4x20 equals dot. Use a hundreds, tens, and ones math to model the equation.
Okay, so we have some 4 times 20. So, uh-oh. Huh, what's that? Huh? What's wrong?
Lavender is back at Starbucks. Put some spring in your cup. The iced lavender matcha. And now, here you go. Your iced lavender lattes are ready at Starbucks.
You love listening to your favorite artists.
No.
And we love listening to you. So let's
Model.
talk. Click now to take part in our short survey.
What
And you can
does
win a month
20
of
is the
gloriously
group?
uninterrupted music. With Spotify Premium.
4x20 is 4 groups of 20.
Enjoy all your
Use 2 tens to represent each group of 20. The model shows 4 groups with 2 tens in each group.
banner now.
The equation 4 times 20 equals blank. Under the equation 4 times 20 equals blank. Under it, there is a hundreds, tens, 1, 2. Count the tens. Equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 tens. 8 tens is the same as 80. 4x20 equals 80. Equation. See text version. You can also count by tens to double check your work. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You still get 80 as the answer. You can also count by tens to double check your work. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You still get 80 as the answer. Take the multiple challenge. Capital building. Unlock your multiplication skills. Capital building. Get ready for a capital adventure as you race to find your clue in the Capitol building. It is located beneath the building in the secret room called the crypt. Use your amazing multiplication skills to unlock the door and find the clue to complete your task. Example 1. Equation. Regroup. Solution. Solve equals 7x40. 7x40 is 7 groups of 40. Use 4 tens to represent each group of 40. The model shows 7 groups with 4 tens in each group. You unlocked the clue. You can regroup 10 tens into 100. There are 28 tens. You can make 2 groups of 10 tens. Hundreds, tens, and ones math. See text version. You unlocked the clue. The clue is to use a number line to help you multiply by multiples of 10 in the next example. Example 2. Number line. Solution. Solve 7x50 equals dot. Regroup the 2 groups of 10 tens into 200s. There are 8 tens left in the tens column. Hundreds, tens, and ones math. See text. 208 tens is the same as 280. 200 plus 80 equals 280. 280 equals 7x40. You unlocked the clue. The clue is to use a number line to help you multiply by multiples of 10 in the next example. Example 2. Number line. Solution. Solve 7x50 equals dot. This is 7 groups of 50. 7 times 50 equals blank. Below is a number line starting at 0 with. Draw 7 hops of 50 on the number line. Seven times 50 equals blank. Draw 7 hops of 50 on the number line. Number line. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. Skip count by 50s. 7x50 equals 350. Unlock your multiplication skills. We made it to the last. Solve 3x 300 equals dot. Use a thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones math to model the equation.
Okay, so this is the easiest. Solve 3 times 300. When you were a kid, you would solve 3 times 3. That would be 3 plus 3 plus 3. And since 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9, that means 3 times 300 is 900. I told you! I am so smart.
Count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 hundreds. 9 hundreds is the same as 900. 3x 300 equals 900. Thousands, hundreds, thousands. You can also count by hundreds to solve. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. You still get 900 as the answer. If there are more than 10 hundreds in the hundreds column, remember to regroup. Example 2. Equation. Regroup. Solution. Solve equals 4x 500. 4x 500 is 4 groups of 500. Use 500s to represent each group of 500. The model shows 4 groups with 500s in each group. You're racing all the way to the end. You can regroup 10 hundreds into 1000. There are 20 hundreds. You can make 2 groups of 10 hundreds. Regroup the 2 groups of 10 hundreds into 2000s. There are no hundreds left in the hundreds column. 2000s is the same as 2000. 2000 equals 4x 500. Two thousands is the complete the multiply by multiply.
Guys, we're on the last page. You better like it, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications and like.
Select all the expressions that have a product of 560.
That is. Oh. What? Sorry.